This is the story of one school that has dedicated a decade to building minds that are healthy before they are brilliant. Every morning, 2,300 students choose to ask one single question: what kind of a human being do I choose to become? The world has seldom had a very clear definition of a healthy mind. We have confused a calm mind for a healthy one, a successful mind for a strong one. But we believe a healthy mind is a discerning mind before any other thing.
Everything I've tried to build as an educator has been centered around creating a culture where character building precedes academic achievement and where preparedness for life precedes every other conventional parameter of success. We want the world to be a better, more peaceful place. If the best schools were already doing enough in this direction, the world would not be so ridden with conflict and countless challenges. It needs more peacemakers, healers, and lovers of every kind.
In a world that breeds in crisis, a world where information arrives faster than wisdom, where noise drowns out the voice that asks, "But is this right?" In such a world, a discerning mind is not an advantage. It is survival.
Morning assemblies, but not just the conventional morning assemblies. Quote of the day, thought of the day, word of the day, information, but actually a place where a student can be comfortable and can express their own views, perspectives, ideas about society, about life in general. That is what morning assemblies are to students of Seth Anandram Jaipuria.
I often remind myself and everyone who works alongside me that educating the mind without educating the heart is no education at all. This belief is the foundation on which Project Alchemy was built. It was designed around a simple conviction that healthy living cannot be separated from ethical behavior, being morally upright, being compassionate towards all life forms, and most of all, being emotionally balanced.
As a new student, I think morning assemblies was actually where I felt most welcomed and comfortable at the first place. And it was a whole new experience. I don't think morning assemblies like these are held in any other place, at any other school. They are exceptional. Every day I exit the auditorium, I exit with a new thought, with a new addition to my perspective about society, about life, and a new piece of information. And it is definitely the most enjoyable, exciting, and loving part of this school.
The inspiration for this interactive assembly model comes from an ancient Chinese tale about the Great Wall of China. A wall so strongly built, yet breached 3 times in its very first year, never by force, but by bribing the very guards entrusted to protect it. That story stayed with me because it points to a truth I have come to believe deeply. A civilization's strength lies not in its structures, but in the character of its people.
This is what we choose to do. One question, one morning at a time. Questions that ask a child to look inward before they look outward, to think before they act, to feel before they perform. Questions that do not only create healthy minds, but help them build a healthier world for everyone around them.